Today we're making my famous green dressing. It is packed with nutrients, so delicious, and I'll show you 3 ways how you can use it. Hi guys, welcome back to Bread and Butter. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite green goddess sauce recipe. It's something that I always have in the fridge because there are a million ways of how you can use it in your everyday cooking, and I will share some of my favorites. But I just want to show you how you can pack so many nutrients dense products into one sauce. That is delicious, by the way. It comes together really quickly in one blender. It keeps in the fridge for days, and it is the perfect way to use up greens. If you have any lying around in the fridge, I have parsley, coriander, and dill. I have spinach. You can also add baby kale. I mean, if they're staring at you from the fridge and you have no idea where to add them, this is a great idea. I also have a beautiful salad on this channel, which is called the fattoush salad. I also incorporate a lot of greens in there. Please click here and I'll share the video. First ingredient, cashews. This is what adds some of the sweetness and the creaminess and the richness to the sauce. If you're staying away from nuts for some reason, you can definitely substitute them with, for example, an avocado. I'm adding nooch. This is very high in vitamin B. It's healthy and it is delicious. It adds that cheesy flavor, but without the dairy, so nooch. By the way, as always, I have the details of the recipe down below in the caption, how many grams of cashews or nooch we're gonna be using. Next, hemp seeds. Delicious, again, very, very healthy. They are tiny, but this is truly an antioxidant, so add those in. I'm gonna add a handful of spinach. This is all I had in the fridge. If you have more, feel free to just add a bunch. We're gonna be adding all of these greens. Now what I like to do is I like to add them with the stems because the stems are also very, very healthy and people often throw them away. And if you're making my fattoush salad and you reserve the stems, just add them later to this green goddess dressing. Hang on. I think coriander is one of those things that you either love or you hate. But in this sauce, you don't really differentiate. You can't say, my God, I'm really feeling the coriander. It's just green and great. And my favorite, dill. Again, everything goes in. This looks like a ton, but when we blitz it up, it's all gonna kind of shrink. Now, I'm gonna clean up a bit because this is looking like a mess. I'm gonna definitely add some garlic cloves. And again, this will add just a lot of health benefits, but you're not really gonna feel it in the sauce itself. I'm gonna add the juice of 1 lemon. And also I'm adding apple cider vinegar. I'm a huge fan of this stuff. It's very, very good for you. I've been following this girl on my socials. I think she goes by the name of Glucose Goddess. She wrote a book about how to keep your sugar low. And apple cider vinegar is something that she swears by. So we're gonna be adding some of this, a little bit of oil, and some water to thin it out. Now I love serving this dip with a ton of colorful vegetables. I have radishes, carrots, chicory. You can use bell peppers, cucumbers, anything you have on hand. Chicory is really nice because it's like a little boat and you can actually scoop in the sauce. It is so delicious. I can't even explain it. I think that the hemp seeds and the cashews just give it that really nice sweetness. If you want something more, you can always add some raw honey. Besides just being the perfect dip, if you thin it out with water or oil or some more lemon juice, it's a great salad dressing. If you want to add some more protein to it, you could definitely add some silken tofu to the mix. But I'm going to show you one more way how I like to use this dip. try my sauce? Let me know in the comments how you love it.
I wonder how many comments you'll get from this video.
I don't know.
How many good comments?
We'll see. Guys, stay active. Show me some love in the comment section. Try this, and I'll see you guys soon. This is really good.
That is actually